Hi everyone, I am Dr. S. Badi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. I welcome you all in my video lecture series, the topic of IC engines. In previous video, we discussed what is petrol engine and how it works. The same time, what is diesel engine and two-stroke, four-strokes. The diesel engine mostly in four strokes and how it works and what are the applications we are using in the petrol and diesel engines. In this video, we discuss about what is the difference between two-stroke and four-stroke engines. So before we going to see the difference between two-stroke and four-stroke, why we need two-stroke and four-stroke? That is empathize that two-stroke is a each one stroke getting one power strokes. But in four-stroke, two strokes getting one power strokes. This is the most important difference between two-stroke and four strokes. So this is the picture clearly shows what is four-stroke and what is two-stroke. In left side, we are seeing four functions of the combustion chamber inside. So this is four-stroke. The first one is intake and compression. Third one power stroke and fourth one is exhaust stroke. In these four strokes, the piston completed two strokes. That is called stroke means getting bottom side and getting top side. This is one stroke. The linear movement of up-down movement is called one strokes. So the stroke length is what is the chamber length? That is also stroke length. So the piston movement, first one is bottom from top to bottom. The another compression stroke, the piston movement is bottom to top end of the combustion chamber. The third power stroke, again the piston getting down movement. The fourth exhaust, the piston getting upward movement. So the piston getting four movements. So each two movement called one stroke. So the two strokes getting one power stroke of the engine. That is the four-stroke engines. But in right side, you can see the petrol engine that is used in spark plug for igniting the air fuel mixer. The piston movement is first getting bottom side and after burn the gas, the piston getting top side. So the piston movement is one bottom side and top side, bottom end and top end. So these each stroke getting one power stroke. So that is called two-stroke engines. For example, we are using in the two-stroke motorbikes. So that is getting power comparatively in the four-stroke petrol engines. So each stroke we are getting one power stroke. So the RPM will be increased. So the engine speed is increased. So let's see the petrol engine and diesel engine from two-stroke and four strokes. So the picture shows the left side one is two-stroke engine and right side one is diesel engine. So these both are in single cylinder. Both have two ports, one is inlet and outlet. But the function of the piston movement is different from each engines. First, let us see two-stroke engine. Initially, the intake valve open and the air fuel mixture from carburetor getting inside the combustion chamber due to low pressure inside the combustion chamber. So the high pressurized air fuel mixture fill the gap of the combustion chamber. In that time, the inlet port is open, outlet port is in closed condition. So at that time, the spark is ignited before the inlet port is closed. The spark plug ignited, the spark ignited inside the combustion chamber. So the air fuel mixture is burned the piston will be getting a power and the revolution of crankshaft getting 180 degree. So this is the one power stroke. So after the outlet port open, the exhaust gas will be sent outside through silencers. So in that time, the piston is in upward position. So this is two-stroke engines. In four-stroke engines, initially the piston is in top end. The air is compressed and filled it to the combustion chamber. So the piston getting movement from top to bottom. At the time, the air volume of air is getting inside the combustion chambers. So after that, the inlet valve is closed and outlet valve are already closed in conditions. So the piston getting top side movement. So the compressed air again compressed and getting high temperatures. So in the time, the fuel injector plus the fuel inside the combustion chamber. So the fuel is ignited due to high temperature of the pressurized atmospheric air. So the fuel is explode and getting enormous heat. The piston will be going top into bottom end. After that, the piston movement from top bottom to top, the exhaust burned gas sent through outlet port. In that time, the outlet port will be open due to the camshaft rotation. So the piston moved from top to bottom, then again bottom to top. This is one stroke. Then another one stroke, again the piston will be moved from top end to bottom side and bottom to top. So these two reciprocating actions getting two strokes get one power stroke. That is called the four-stroke engines. So this is also we clearly established what is two-stroke and four-stroke. So the valve timing diagram that is different from two-stroke to four-stroke. Initially the inlet valve opened before the TDC due to the air fuel mixture getting inside. After the valve will be closed after the TDC condition, stop dead center condition, due to the all burned gas will be sending through the outside. So this is the valve timing diagram for two-stroke and four-stroke. That is diesel engine mostly in four-stroke engines. So it's already we discussed. So mostly the comparison is two-stroke we are mostly using petrols and four-stroke we are using diesel engines. The four-stroke engines are used in heavy trucks and heavy transporting vehicles, boilers, ship, and some other heavy-duty workings. So in petrol engine, the emission is less, but the diesel engine emission is comparatively more. And the maintenance cost, the petrol engine is less, and diesel engine, four-stroke diesel engine is the four-stroke engine is heavy than maintenance cost, and the initial cost is also the two-stroke engine is less and the four-stroke engine is high. So these are the most predictable difference between two-stroke and four-stroke. Thank you.